Watch me cut, remove, and reinstall my boyfriend's hair system. Snip, snip, snip. Ouchie. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Spray that solvent. Peel his noggin like an orange. Whoa! Remove excess adhesive. Yummy! Shave the top back down. Scrape that tape. Shampoo. Rinse, rinse. All clean. Apply double-sided wig toupee tape. Prep that scalp. Dance break. Apply the magic time machine. Paint that glue on. Goof off while the glue dries. Lay that lace down. Smooth those edges. Great Scott! We've erased 10 years. Check out that hairline. He's so darn handsome.